The observer expectancy effect refers to the phenomenon where a researcher's expectations or beliefs about the outcome of an experiment unintentionally influence the behavior or responses of the participants. Researchers may unintentionally communicate their expectations to participants through subtle cues such as body language, tone of voice, or facial expressions. For example, if a researcher expects participants to perform well on a task, they may unknowingly convey encouragement or approval, which can influence the participants' behavior. The observer's expectations may lead them to reinforce certain behaviors in participants that align with their hypotheses, while unintentionally ignoring or downplaying behaviors that contradict their beliefs. This can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, where participants behave in ways that confirm the observer's expectations. Researchers may interpret ambiguous or inconclusive data in ways that support their hypotheses, overlooking alternative explanations or dismissing contradictory evidence. This can bias the analysis and conclusions drawn from the study, leading to potentially inaccurate or misleading findings. Even when researchers strive to remain objective, unconscious biases can still influence their expectations and perceptions. These biases may be shaped by personal beliefs, cultural norms, or prior experiences, and they can subtly influence the way researchers design, conduct, and interpret experiments. The observer expectancy effect can have significant implications for the validity and reliability of research findings. When researchers' expectations inadvertently influence the behavior of participants, it undermines the scientific rigor of the study and compromises the integrity of the results. Implementing double-blind procedures, where neither the researcher nor the participants know the experimental conditions, can help minimize the influence of observer expectations. This prevents researchers from inadvertently communicating their expectations to participants or biasing their interactions. Establishing standardized protocols and procedures can help ensure consistency across experiments and minimize the potential for observer bias. By following predetermined guidelines, researchers can reduce the likelihood of unconsciously influencing participants' behavior. Replicating studies and subjecting research findings to peer review can help identify and address potential sources of bias, including the observer expectancy effect. Independent replication allows other researchers to assess the reliability and generalizability of findings, helping to ensure the robustness of the research. Educating researchers about the potential for observer bias and providing training in research methodology can help increase awareness and promote more objective and impartial practices. By being mindful of their own biases and expectations, researchers can minimize their impact on experimental outcomes,